ledger account also.
Now, first actually, I will show you in the GL actually what you have to do in the recording. Okay.
Some configuration we have to do, sir.
See, you can able to see my screen now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You are not getting any internet issue or something. Okay. So tomorrow I'm changing one more location. So day after tomorrow actually is coming from normal. Now also actually she is in ICU now. From day after tomorrow, no, Thursday evening she'll discharge from ICU. Then Friday onwards she'll come to normal ward. Okay. So every relative's house actually we are using Wi-Fi only. So you are not facing. Last time we actually you are facing some issue, correct? So you are not getting any issue like that.
Okay, sir.
You can able to see my SAP screen also, right?
So your screen is blank.
Now also you are facing the same problem.
No, sir, it's
No, sir.
visible.
It is visible.
Sir, it's visible.
Yeah. See, one person is facing the problem, and then we have to change the internet then. See that I saw the screenshot. What is the problem we are getting? From my end, actually, I'm getting two screen like this, right? Left hand side one,
Yes.
right hand side one, right?
Yes, sir.
So, a call is recording, correct?
Yes. Yes.
So what you have to do? See here, you can see settings, right?
Yeah.
Hierarchy display. Currently, actually, we are in this mode. Do not display navigation tree. If I enter now,
Okay.
see for example, if I log off /x, if I again log in one more time,
Hmm.
again if I go to not this one, again if I go to FS00, your screen like this, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Exactly, sir.
Okay. So what is the problem? You have to go to settings,
Hmm.
hierarchy display, and here you have to click display account in navigation tree. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Enter, and again you have to log off. That is very important. /ex, and I double click here ECC. So most of the students actually they are facing the problem this only, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If I go to FS00 again, you can see now two screen. So I hope actually you understand the concept, right?
Right, sir.
Okay, done. Now you share your screen, getting you under, no? You share your screen. You know how to share the screen, right?
Yes.
You share the screen. So why I'm taking 8:45, 8:50 class? You know the reason, right? Because after 10 o'clock, no, I have to go to hospital. Some work will be there for me, 2 to 3 days. Okay, so that's why 8:40, 8:45, I'll take the class. You share your screen.
Sir, I am using tab, so I unable to share my screen. I have to open my laptop, sir.
If you are sharing the screen only, then I'll come to know, right?
Okay, you start the class, sir. No issue, sir.
Yeah, yeah. I'll start the class. End of the class, you share your screen. Okay.
Yes, sure, sir.
So only one error. Actually, if you have
One
any error,
more error. One more error is there, sir, and I am unable to save my retained earning accounts also. It's
yeah.
showing data, something like data not saved.
Okay. Then actually, end of the
Okay,
class, you share your screen. Okay. I will
I
tell you.
think it's displaying that no changes made like this.
So what and all you are telling orally, I can't understand that. If you are sharing the screen only, then I'll come to know what is the problem.
Okay, sure, sir. You start the class, sir. No issue.
Yeah. So Venkat Reddy, you are facing any issue?
No, sir.
Clear, huh? Okay.
Yeah.
What about Segar? You are facing any issue?
No, sir, cleared. Mine is cleared.
Okay. What about Shashi? You are facing any issue?
No, sir. For me also cleared.
Okay.
Practice also went well.
What about Jagadish? You are facing any issue?
Clear.
Clear, huh? So what about Rajata? You are facing any issue? Rajata, Jagdish, please put on mute. Actually, I'm getting some sound. Rajata? Okay. What about Deepa? You are facing any issue?
Uh, no, sir. Actually, I followed as per your classes, so I didn't face any challenges. Thank you.
Okay. So now I'm sharing my screen. Today, first we will see this one, foreign currency. Then after that, we will see extra topics today. So you can able to see my PDF file.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here, foreign currency you can see. Anyway, you know the trading side. In trading, what and all we are doing. First, we are purchasing the share. Then after that, we are selling the share. Then after that, as per the bank, actually we have to follow. The same thing only I'm doing here also. The first configuration, check exchange rate type. You can see here, OB07. This is the T code. So first we will go to OB07. I will show you what and all you have to configure this. Slash n OB07. Okay, then first time actually, if you are doing practice now, you have to go to new entries. You have to type everything manually here. First time, I will show you what you have to type. I will go to position, exchange rate type B. You can see here B means banking selling rate, and G means banking buying rate, and M means average bank rate. Okay, these three I already configured in the system. So from your end, what you have to do? You have to go to new entries. You have to type these three one by one. Then after that, you have to click on save button. So this is the first step in the foreign currency: selling rate, buying rate, and the average bank rate. You understand what I'm telling here, right? Hello.
Yes, sir. Understand.
Yes,
Understood.
sir. Yes, sir.
So this three for me it is available because I am the trainer. So try to understand. For you, go to new entries.
We need to
Type
create.
yeah. You have to create a BGM. Okay, B means selling rate, G means buying rate, M means average bank rate. Go to new entries, type one by one manually. Then after that, you have to click on save button. So this is the first step. And second step, you can see here define translation ratio for currency translation OBBS. So why I'm doing this configuration? Here only I'm transferring the currency from USD to INR. So that is why I'm doing this configuration here. Now I'll go to OBBS slash n OBBS. See now the system it will ask, do you want to transfer the currency or not? So here what you have to do, you have to click on yes option. Select here yes. And here also the same logic. So first time if you are doing practice, you have to go to new entries. Everything you have to type manually up to this. Okay, I will show you what you have to type in the screen. I will go to position. The first exchange rate is B. Currency I am converting USD to INR. And here my business date follow from 1/4/2021. I'm giving enter. You can see here the first line. Okay, you have to type in new entries and after that you have to click on save. But here one more important point. The date is different here 1/9/2020. So from your end what you have to do, you have to update here 1/4/2021 and here I'm giving now 1:1. 1:1 means 1 USD is equal to 1 INR. Select it, you have to type up to this in the new entries, then after that you have to click on save. So this is the first step. And the second one, G.
So
So
only
G,
one line or all the entries we have to
no,
type?
no, only one line,
Okay.
first line. Okay, don't type everything, only one line, first line. And here also again first line only. Okay, so here also you have to change the data. The date is different here, 1/9/2020, right? So here also you have to give 1/4/2021. Up to 1:1 ratio you have to type in the new entries. Then after that you have to click on save button. And the last one is M. M means average bank rate. Update here now and update your currency now USD to INR and update here 1/4/2021. Enter. See now again the same thing. First line USD to INR 1/4/2021 up to 1:1 ratio. You have to go to new entries and after that you have to click on save button. You understand what I'm telling now, right? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So today you are not getting any disturbance from my end, right? It's clear?
Yes, sir. It's
Yeah, it's clear, sir.
absolutely clear.
Yeah, because that is a problem actually. If I'm there in the institute now, metro construction, everything is going on. Right now I'm in Mysore now. So that is why I'm not getting any disturbance here. Enter exchange rates. 1 minute. Hello. Hello, sir. Hello. Ah, okay, sir. Okay, sir. Inform ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಒಂದು 10 minutes ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡಿ ನಾನು ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. So now the third one, enter exchange rate OB0 rate. So this T code actually used by end user. This is not coming under IT. So why I'm doing this configuration means here only I have to update the rate as per the bank. Okay, OB08. So now we'll go to OB08. /n OB08. So first time if you're doing practice, again I'll repeat the same thing. So you have to go to new entries. You have to update up to this. Okay, two option. I will show you what you have to type. So go to position, update here B. Currency I'm using here USD to INR. And here validity period. My business period start from 1/4/2021. The first line, what I'm showing here, you have to type. Okay. So here you have to change the date. Your business date is 1/4/2021. Okay. Here I mentioned 1 USD is equal to 70 rupees. INR, you can see here. Here I have to tell one more point. You can see here INDR and DAR means indirect quotation and direct quotation. Indirect quotation means you are transferring the currency local to international, means INR to USD. Direct quotation means you are transferring the currency international to local, means USD to INR. So most of the company they will follow direct quotation only in the live scenario. Okay, so that's why I'm also following direct quotation. And one more important point here, most of the company they will follow exchange rate EM. They are not following BG, bank selling rate and bank buying rate. We have to follow as per the bank, average bank rate. So this first line, you have to type in new entries up to this INR. Then after that, you have to click on save. And the second one, G, type here currency USD to INR and update the period here 1/4/2021. Enter. Again the first line. Okay. So here also you have to change the date 1/4/2021. So here also I mentioned now 1 USD is equal to 70 rupees. Up to INR, you have to type in new entries. Then after that, you have to click on save button. And the last one is M. M means average bank rate. Update the currency here USD to INR. And here also I'm giving the business date 1/4/2021. So again the first line. Okay, you can see here 1/4/2021. Here I mentioned 1 USD is equal to 73 rupees in INR. You can see here. So this is also the same logic. Go to new entries, update up to INR. After that, you have to click on save. So finally, M only I am following in the company. Okay. So up to this, we have any doubt? Hello?
No, sir.
Yeah, actually, this currency and all, it will be defaultly setted by SAP, or if any
No,
currency is not there, how we will add?
no. This under this under end user T codes. That's why I'm telling this shift started after 3:30. Okay. Anyway, you know the share market time, morning 9 to 3:30 only, correct? After 3:30 only, these people they'll work. So each and every
Mhm.
time we have to discuss with the bank. Based on the bank, I have to update the rate here.
Okay.
System,
Mm-hmm.
system not update the rate automatically here. So we have to update. We have to ask the bank people. Then based on that, we have to update the rate
On daily basis, sir.
on daily basis. This is daily activities for the end user, not for the consultant. Rate and all I
Sir,
don't.
yeah,
Sorry.
from your past experience, what and all challenges you faced with this foreign currencies?
Foreign currency. See, most of the time, actually, rate only actually we are getting a lot of error while doing the posting. Sometime what happen, no, I told you already clearly, indirect quotation means is currency converted from local to international. Most of the people what they will do, no, they will update the rate here. Then system can't understand the rate. Then sometime what will happen, no, they'll update the currency ulta here. Here I'm giving the currency here INR, then from currency I'm giving USD. Sometime what happen, no, is India they'll update the currency here INR, then here they will update the currency here USD. Reverse. Then
Mm-hmm.
date also we are facing error. Okay.
Okay.
So only this T code is very important. Based on this only I can able to post. See here only end user said they will do a lot of mistake actually, date wise, currency wise, and as per the bank rates. You got
Mm-hmm.
my point?
Yeah, sir.
But this under we have to ask the bank. Okay. Then only I can update the rate here. Without the bank actually I can't update the rate. So this T code is used by end user, not for the consultant. You have to understand the logic. Okay. You understand the point? Hello?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So now the last one. This is consultant. Anyway, you know the document types. OBSM. I told you so many times. It controls the header and used to identify the business transaction. Right. So now we'll go to OBSM /n OBSM and first topic SEA GL. Select your SEA and click on details. Now you can see here exchange rate type for foreign currency, right? Here I have to select EM. So what is the meaning for EM?
Average buying. Yeah.
Correct.
Average.
You have to select
Yeah.
this EM here, average bank rate. Okay. Then after that you have to click on save. So this is coming under consultant configuration. Okay. Only 4 steps in the foreign currency. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Now we'll come for the end user. So now go to posting F-02. Update your document date and the posting date here. What is your company code? I forgot the company code actually. Tell me the company code.
Yeah.
ALAL, right? Update here ALAL. And the currency you have to give now. Don't give INR. And here this and all you know already. I have to select on expenses. Enter now. See now you can see 2 amount column. One is USD and one more is INR. See for example, if I update here 100, how much in INR? Any idea? 100 USD means?
700.
700 rupees.
Not 700. Understand?
7,000.
7,000.
7,000.
7,300. In M actually I updated 73 rupees. You know that. If you see my video, you'll come to know. 100 into 73. 7,300 in INR. I'm not updating the rate here. Okay. The system calculating the rate automatically in the system. Enter now and update here star and plus. You can see You understand the logic?
Yes, sir.
100
So
into
it's
70.
automatically converting local currency as per our exchange rate, what we have updated, is it?
Correct. You understand the point?
Yeah.
If I go to document and simulate option, now you can see the amount in USD now, 100, right? If I select a display currency, you can see now INR also. Again, if I select display currency, you can see USD and again selecting INR. This is one side checking. And one more side also I have to check. Again, I will go to F-02, update your document date and the posting date here. And here, I have to select an expenses account, change the currency, USD. Enter. Last time I updated the rate here, right? This time I am updating the rate here, 10,000 INR. Then how much in USD? Any idea? 10,000 INR means
7 lakhs.
7 lakhs, sir. Why?
120, I guess, sir.
136 USD.
130 something. See now, I mentioned here 10,000 rupees only. Okay. Enter now and update here star and plus. You can see 136.98. You got my point?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay.
Yes.
Select that. You have to check two sides. First time in USD and second time in INR. Then the process will be go live. Okay. This is mandatory for all the consultant. Now again go to simulate. See now you can see the amount in USD. So if you want to see the amount in INR, then select a display currency. You can see INR also. Okay, again select display currency. You can see in USD. So this is foreign currency settings. So this is very important topic in life. So now we'll come for the next topic. Some course I'm teaching new for you. Okay, you can see here. Copy the company code settings from one company code to another company, right? See, for example, OX02, correct? Company code creation.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So if you want to copy from one company code to another company, the settings means basic settings, like your fiscal year. After that, this one. What is that? Number ranges, then field status, account group, something if you want to
Fis-
copy from one company code to
Fiscal year.
another company. Yeah, fiscal year. So this is very important code, EC01. I will show you. Okay, just one. I'll give you an idea. From your end, you have to create one company code. Then you have to update like this. I'll go to EC01. So here you can see copy button. So select your copy. So this option you have to click. Okay, copy button. See, from company code means, for example, your company code, ALAL. Two company code means your new company code. So you have to create one company code from your end in OX02, then you have to update here. Then it will copy the entire setting. So this is one more shortcut. Okay, but it will take some time. 20-30 minutes it will take some time. But if you are updating like this, then it will copy the entire settings up to field status. You understood what I am telling here?
Yes, sir.
From your end, you have to create one company code. Try to understand the logic in OX02. From company code means your old company code. To company code means your new company code. Okay.
Uh-huh. But company code is necessary to create.
100%. That's why actually I'm showing here only. No, two company code means system how will they know. If you create only, they'll come to know. Correct.
Yes, sir.
If you want to copy the entire setting, so this is one more shortcut. And this one. copy the number ranges from one company code to another company. Anyway, you know how to use the number range. I told you in FBN1, I'm copying the number from one company code to another company. The T code I'm using here OBH1. So now we'll go to FBN1 first. FBN1 and your company code ALAL. If you select a display button, you can see here I created only one number 01. Now I'll go to some other company code, for example PWPW. Select a display. Here you can see there are so many numbers are there. I am planning to copy this number 15. You can see here 2020. Okay, from one company code to another company. I will go to first OBH1 and which number I am copying 15. There actually fiscal year is 2020. Source company code means your old company code PWPW, and a target company means new company code. For example, your company code ALAL. And select your execute and select your S option. Now you can see here ALAL 15 is added now. You got my point?
Yes, sir.
So now if I go to FBN1, if I update your company code, if I select a display button, you can see previously I created only one. Now you can see 15 also. Like this, you can copy the number from one company code to another company. And next T code.
So now which number will be active? So which number interval will be active now if we copy like this?
No, two number is active now. If you go to click on intervals now, you can see this is also active, but this 15 coming under accounts payable.
Okay.
If you want to change the number, you can change the number here. That's why showing here 0. 0 means you know the meaning, right? What is 0 here?
No records have made it. No posting has done.
Yeah, no posting has done. I told you here last time only, right? So if you are doing posting now, then you will come to know here. This is active now, but you have to do the posting. So this number coming under accounts payable. So now don't need to do anything here. Leave it. Okay. So the next one, copy the number ranges from one fiscal year to another fiscal year. OBH2. See, for example, this 15 you can see in 2020. I am copying this one into 2021. Now I'll go to OBH2. Update your company code now ALAL. So 15 number range. Source fiscal year means 2020. Target fiscal year means 2021. And I click on execute and click on here. Now you can see here ALAL 15 2021 is added. So now if you want to check that, go to FB11, update your company code now ALAL and select a display button. Now you can see 15 is added in 2021. Like this, you can copy the number from one fiscal year to another fiscal year. Do you understand what I'm doing here?
Yes, sir.
And the next one, to see the changes in the GL account master, FS004. GL account means you know FS00, right? So now I'll go to FS00 /n FS00. So now here you can see I am doing some changes now. So here already created like this. I'm doing some changes like this. Account. Here also I'm doing some account like this. Now click on save. So now here I did the changes from my end. How the manager will come to know? They will use this T code. Which T code? The FS04. So now we'll go to FS04 /n FS04. And what GL number I changed, you have to update the number here. Update your company code ALAL. Click on enter and click on all changes. Now you can see the old is this one and the new is this one. And you can see the date also when I change the sentence. You got my point? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And define a line item text template, OB56. See, for example, I will do one posting. I will go to F-02, update your document date and the posting date here. And this and all, I have to select my expenses and I will update some amount, invoice amount. So text. So every time I will type some text here, narration, right? Instead of typing a shortcut is there in SAP. The T code is OB56. Now I'll open one more screen here. I'll go to /n OB56. Go to new entries. ID, any 4 characters. So for your understanding, I'll update here ALAL. And here text I'm giving like this, being wages for the month of April or something. And select here control display and click on save. I created the template here, right? Now close this. And now what happened here is you can see one box here. So select your box. Select here, find option, update your ALAL. Select this ID, ALAL. So this and all, I have to select here 50. And here I have to select my outstanding expenses. So now you can see I'm not typing any text here. Just click on enter. You can see in the bottom. What is this? You understand what I'm doing now? Hello?
Yeah, text is added. Correct.
Yeah.
Text was transferred. No need to type it. Okay. No need to type every time text manually. Instead of that, actually we have the shortcut. And yeah, tell me.
Sir, this and all coming under configuration, no, sir? Or
Configuration only. What and all I'm
okay,
teaching is under configuration, not end user.
okay, okay.
So define countries. See, for example, if I go to OX02 /n OX02, anyway, you know how to create the company code under. See, here you can see the countries. As per Google now, 198 countries is there all over the world. You can see the countries here. So where I have to create the countries. Okay, that is very important. If I'm creating the country somewhere only, it will display here. You know that. So if you want to create the country in SAP, the T code I'm using here, OY01 is the T code. So now we'll go to OY01 /n OY01. In live, actually, you have to go to new entries. You have to create as per the client. So now I'll show you. Already so many countries are created. Click on position, update your country now, IN. Select here IN and click on details. See, now you can see your country name and your nationality and the currency, your tax procedure, ISO code, date format, decimal format. As per India, we have to update here. Once you update here, then it will display in OX15 and OX02 both. OX15 means creation of company. There also we have to select the country, and in OX02 also we have to select the country. You know that. Once you create only, it will display there. In case if you are not creating here, then it won't display there. You got my point?
Yes, sir.
So this is also very important code in live in the implementation time. And this one, define additional local currency for the company code OP22. As per ECC, total 3 currencies I can add. One local currency, 2 parallel currency, total 3 currency. Okay. Local currency means your INR and a parallel currency means, for example, USD and Euro. So which T code actually you are adding the currency in ECC? OB22 is the T code. But in S4 HANA, we can add up to 10 currencies. In ECC, only 2 currencies is possible. One is local currency and additional is parallel currency. 2 parallel. Now, go to OB22/N OB22, and here you can see additional local currency. So this is the T code. We are adding the currency as per the client. Go to new entries. So update your company code now, AL, and here you can see currently I am using INR. It is a company code currency. Company code currency, one more name is called local currency. This is interview question. Here you can see one local, and you can see here second and third, that is parallel. Parallel means USD and euros. Okay. So this is the area we are adding the currency in ECC. OB22 is the T code. So now don't do anything here, just leave it. And the next one, delete chart of accounts, OB08. Anyway, you know how to delete the GL. Last time I told you. So now we'll see how to delete the chart of accounts. /N OB08. Enter now. Update your chart of account what you created, ALEL, and select your deletion capability. See, now you can see here chart of account is used by company code and chart of accounts cannot be deleted. Right? So why I can't delete the chart of account now? Any idea?
Company code productive.
No, don't think that concept. That concept you forget. This is different concept. Currently, I'm using this chart of account in my company code. After that, I did a lot of posting also in the company code, right? So if you are doing any posting or if you are doing any, if you are assigning the chart of account any company code, you can't delete it. Okay, so that's why it's showing system chart of account cannot be deleted. Then which scenario I can delete? Any idea?
If
If
no
you're not
posting,
assigning company code to chart of account, then
If
you
there
can
is no transactions.
yeah, posting.
Yeah, no transaction. In case if you're not assigning the chart of account in our company code, then that scenario I can delete. So first we will go to OB13. Anyway, you know OB13, correct? Chart of accounts, creation of chart of accounts. Go to new entries. I will update something here, ABCD something. Okay. This and all you know already. English, length I am giving 07 and click on save. See, now I created this chart of account, ABCD something, right? As per this chart of account, I can delete or not?
Can delete. So.
Yes,
Correct.
you can delete because
I can.
transactions are not there.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. You have not assigned.
Yeah. Not assigning first, and I am not doing any posting also. Now, again, I will come to the same decode OB08. So now we'll go to OB08 now, /N OB08, and update your chart of account here, ABCD something, and select your deletion capability. And now you can see here, chart of account is not used by any company code, and the chart of accounts can be deleted. You got my point, right? Or any doubt
Yes.
still? Okay. This two line is very important. Okay. I'm not using, I can delete. Now come back and select your deletion button. You can see delete. Click, and you can see chart of account deleted. Enter. Now again I'll go to OB13. I have to check now it is deleted or not. So go to OB13 and click on position. Update here ABCD. Now you can see ABCD is not there. Simple. You understand, right?
Yes. In case
See,
in real time, if someone by mistakenly deleted, how you will find out who has deleted and
that
which user has deleted?
from reporting only I still will come to know. That is separate T code is there. I will tell you the T code. Make note this point. Some reporting wise, some tables and all is there in the back end. Okay, I will tell you, but the T code is working or not, I don't know in this server. Okay, make note the point. Actually, tomorrow I will update actually.
Okay, sir.
Then one more tax code. This is coming under accounts payable, accounts receivable. They will see that time tax and all. Now you can see here maintain credit control area. Already you know the meaning for tolerance. Tolerance means I'm setting the limit for employees, GL, vendor and customer. I told you last time. This credit control area, actually we are setting the limit for the customer. How much I have to give the credit in the business for the customer. So this is T code is coming under SD model, sales and distribution model. But as for the FI point of view, we have to know this T code also. This T code also very important. OB45. So now we'll go to /n OB45. I can see here credit control area is coming under SD model. So go to new entries, update the credit control area any 4 characters. So for your understanding, here also I will update ALAL. Currency I'm using here INR. And here you can see data for updating SD, sales and distribution model. And here I'm setting the limit 10,000. See, if I'm setting the limit 10,000 here, up to 10,000 I can give the limit for the customer, not more than that. Okay, if you are trying to give more than that, system throw the error. That is the meaning. So this credit control area. So finally I have to assign in my company code. Now you can see assign company code to credit control area OB38. So now we'll go to OB38 /n OB38 and click on position. Update your company code now. ALAL, and you can see here credit control area. Update here ALAL and click on save. So from now onwards, in the company code for your customer, I can give up to 10,000 credit limit in the business, not more than that. This is the meaning. Okay. I hope actually up to this you could understand. So up to this is enough today. So we'll go slowly. Okay. Tomorrow topic we make notes. We'll start from reversal. Reversal means now only I'll show you. If you're doing any mistake in the posting time, okay, how we have to do the reversal. After that we'll see parking holding up. You can see here in SAP there are different types of reversal scenario. When an incorrect entry is posted in the SAP system, we have to reverse the document in SAP. If you're doing any mistake in the posting time, how we have to do the reversal. Okay, so from here actually tomorrow we'll start. There are total 4 types of reversal. So we'll go one by one from tomorrow. Then after that we'll see after completing this parking holding documents and all tomorrow. Okay. So if you are doing any mistake or something in the practice time, please inform me. From today onwards I am available. Class is there regularly. Okay. So apart from that, Mintu, actually you are facing some issue, no? Can you share your screen now? Because after that, if I'm going to hospital now, then I can't see your message and all actually.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'll stop my sharing. So share your screen now. So today, no one is facing any issue from my end, right?
No, sir. No.
No, sir, it's clear.
It's
No,
clear.
sir, it's clear.
So my
Okay.
screen is visible.
Yeah, I can able to see your screen. So in the retail earnings account, actually you are facing the problem, right?
Yes, sir. And
Okay.
also unable to create GL account also.
Yeah. But now I told you the solution, right? You have to go like that, then you create the GL. Okay.
Sure, sir. Oh, sir, it's remote.
No, now you have to connect your internet. Internet is off now.
No, connected, sir.
Connected, huh?
Yes, sir.
Then
Yeah, sir. I'm also facing the same
then you have to talk to Pravinda. I mean the back
Okay, sir.
server issue. Now
Server
anyway,
issue. I think
now
remote access is off.
actually what I'm telling to you, What is your name? Actually, I don't know your name also now.
Mintu,
Mintu,
sir.
right?
Yeah.
Mintu, actually, I'm showing my screen now
Okay, sir.
where you're doing the mistake. Okay. See, for example, I told you last time. See, if you want to create a return earnings account now, first we have to go to OBD4.
OBD4. Okay.
OBD4. Okay.
Define
In
account groups. Huh?
account group, right?
Yes.
Now go to position, update your chart of account first. ALAL. See now, see here the number. Number is very important. Liabilities 101,000.
Sir, your screen is not visible, sir. I think you are not share.
1 minute. Actually. So now you can able to see my screen.
Not now. Now.
Yes, sir.
Visible.
So go to OBD4. First you see the liability number 101,000. Okay. This number only I have to assign in the return earnings.
Sir,
If you
that current liability is start from 3, no?
no. One.
Oh, 1.
One means
Okay.
liabilities, two means asset, three means income, four means expense. This also I told you last time, right?
Yes, sir.
So give the same number. Don't give different number. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Use the same number from here and see the number first. 101,000. So return earnings account also I told you the meaning. I'm carry forward my balance from one fiscal year to another fiscal year. All my P&L, right?
Yes, sir.
So where I'm carry forward liabilities. So see the number first. 101,000 and go to OB53. Return
Okay.
earnings. Update your chart of account here ALAL. Enter now. And here you can see balance carry for a P&L. So here you have to update here X. X also I told you last time meaning. Update here X and update the number here 101,000.
Okay.
Then after that you have to click on save. While saving now you will get one warning message in the bottom.
Yeah.
If you are getting any warning message, I told you last time. So enter double time and click on save. The data was saved in the backend automatically.
Okay, sir.
Warning means yellow color message, right?
Yellow color. Yes.
Yeah, enter now double time and click on save. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But maybe the number is the problem. We have to see the number properly. 101,000 my number. So go to
Yeah.
OB for first, see the current liabilities number and update the same number here.
Okay. There is a
Then
problem. Okay.
yeah, then the problem is resolved.
Okay, sir.
But anyway, everything is recorded in today's call, right? So if you see my video, you'll come to know all this. Still, if you are facing any issue or something, then actually I will connect today night. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So thanks to everyone. So tomorrow morning at the same time, like 8:40, 8:50, I will connect the call. So if you are facing any issue or something, please tell me. Then I will update that. Okay. So thank you. Bye.
Thank
Thank you,
you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.